Hello and welcome to Ashwini Tharkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Today's special is Kaju Matar Pulao. We will use cashew nut and green peas. For that we will need 1 cup basmati rice. Wash it twice and soak for an hour or more. Boil water and add 1 teaspoon oil. This is to ensure that the grains don't stick to each other. Now we will add the soaked rice. You can see how it has soaked so well. Now add the drained rice and stir to avoid lumps. You need not keep stirring. Now check if the rice is cooked. In 5 to 10 minutes it should get cooked because it is already soaked. Strain the rice once it is cooked and keep it aside. We will see how to make the tadka. Heat a kadai. Add 2 teaspoon oil and 1 teaspoon pure ghee. This will give a very good aroma. Take handful of cashew nuts. You can take whole or split or pieces and fry till golden brown. Don't over fry it. It will get dark even after you remove it aside. Now keep this aside. Add 1 piece cinnamon, 2 cardamom and 1 or 2 cloves to the ghee and oil mixture. Add 1 green chili. This is only for flavor. Now add handful green peas and the fried cashew nuts. Stir fry. The green peas have to be cooked, so this takes 1 or 2 minutes. Add salt to taste and stir again. Now add the cooked rice. You can see the long grains of perfectly cooked rice. Add salt to taste and stir. Mix and sprinkle water. The rice needs to steam well, otherwise the flavors of the spices won't get incorporated in the rice. Now sprinkle chopped coriander. Stir again. You can see the steam. Cover and steam again. If the rice is not soft, you can sprinkle more water and steam it again. This looks good. This looks perfectly cooked. Now this can be served with a non-veg gravy or a veg gravy of your choice. This is bland, so any spicy gravy will do. You can sprinkle deep fried onion to garnish. I served it with Dal Makhni. I will post the recipe of Dal Makhni soon. Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, please subscribe, like and share it with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.